नाही हो न्यू फिशींग बोट्स आमी हेजेर ह्या फिशींग जेटीचेर आमी एग्री जाले कित्याक पूण एमपीटीन हो मिसयूज जावपाक जायना लायक म्हणजे हांव कितें अथॉरिटी कार्गो वो दुसऱ्यो वस्तू ह्यो ज्यो वास्कोकारांक वो आमच्या भाव भयणांक फिशरमॅनांक ज्यो माल जाता त्यो वस्तू ह्या फिशींग जेटीचेर नाका कळ्ळें न्हू हेजेर नाका आनी हें तर नाय जाल्यार आमी ऑलमोस्ट वी आर एग्री फॉर तेन्ना गोवा फिशींग बोट ओनर्स एसोसिएशन तेन्ना आमी वचून चॅरमॅना मेवले आनी चॅरमॅना मेळून हो प्लॅन आखो टोटल डिस्कस केलो लायक हे प्युअल बथ हो एक ह्या आय फिशींग जेटीचेर नाका कित्याक हें सगळ्या लोकांक प्रॉब्लेम जाता वो आमकांय प्रॉब्लेम जाता दुसरो म्हणटा तो की आमकां एक दटी कार्गो हेजेर नाका तोवूय आमी दोन वस्तू आमी चॅरमॅना कडेन ह्या ज्या फिशींग जेटीर आहा तेजेर आमी डिस्कस केले आनी तो मोस्टली तो एग्री जालो तेणी सांगलें कितें थर्ड आपूण जो प्युअल बथ हेजेर तो ना दुसरो दटी कार्गो येवप ना दटी कार्गो इन सेन्स लायक कोल नाका कित्याक हिंगा जायतो प्रॉब्लेम जाले आयज पासून लोक हांगा सफर जाला सो हे फिशींग जेटीचेर आमकां हो कोल आनी दटी हेजेर नाका सो वास्कोकारांक एक बरें पडटलें कित्याक आमी तेवूय डिस्कस केलें चॅरमॅना कडेन एमपीटी चॅरमॅना कडेन की हे क्रुजींग शिप्स ट्युरिस्ट शिप्स आयज गोंया येतल्यो आनी ह्यो तर गोंया हेजेर सान तर हें जालें हें ट्युरिस्ट शिप्स आयज गोंया तर येयले क्रुजींग शिप्स गोंया तर येयल्यो जाल्यार आमकां वास्कोकारांची जायती उदारगत जातली आनी वास्कोकारांक बरें पडटलें सो आमी ते फायनली एग्री जाले म्हणटकच आमकां जाय ह्यो वस्तू जे ह्या फिशींग जेटीचेर आमकां ह्यो वस्तू लिंक जालोले नाका तिसरें म्हणटा ते फायनली कितें आहा आमचे कॅनो भाव जे आमचे फिशरमॅन हांगा आहा तांकांय आमी एमपीटीन मातशें प्रोटेक्ट करपाक जाय सारकें तांकां जाय ते भाशेन दिवपाक जाय कित्याक आमी तेंचे बरोबर आहाय म्हणटकच हे बऱ्यो वस्तू ह्या फिशींग जेटीचेर येवच्यो आनी हे चॅरमॅनान जेन्ना आमी गोवा फिशींग बोट ओनर्स एसोसिएशन जेन्ना आमी प्रोपोजल दिली तेन्ना हो चॅरमॅन हांगा ह्या पॉयंटाचेर आमचो एग्री जालो
More than 40 years back. They have been pushing us towards east. Every time, whenever they have come with 11 and 10 and 11 berth, they said they would give us a fishing jetty. But they are still pushing and pushing. So now at this point we have agreed with them to share the Vasco Bay of 50% for them and 50% for the Vasco fishermen. Based on that, jetty plane, fishing jetty plane is drawn, and even their jetties berths are also drawn 13, 12, 13 and 14. But we are not agreeing with the dirty cargo. If some dirty cargo, for example, if coal they bring, that dust will still fall on the fish where people are going to consume it. If they bring some mines also, even that dust particles will fall on the fish, which is consumable by the people. So we don't want people to get sick after eating our fish. We want clean fish to serve the people of Goa as well as the country, because we export also from them. So because of that, we are requesting them that not to use their berths for dirty cargo and for oil.
Report has been prepared almost a year back. After we came to know that POL berth is coming in the MPT side of it, we have had a number of meetings with MPT and discussions, and finally on 30th of September in their board meeting there was a discussion on this issue, and they have discussed that, and it's been minuted that POL berth will be retained on berth number 8. So the berth number 14, which is proposed in the EIA as a POL berth, will get free, and chairman and other MPT officials have also written there that this particular free berth will be used for as a cruise terminal, and the remaining berths, chairman has discussed with us that they will be used for clean cargo. So we want this MPT part of the berth, that is 12, 13 and 14, the new proposed berths, to be used responsibly by MPT, not to be used for hazardous cargo like oil and coal, which will endanger the lives of the citizens of Vasco. We are for clean use of MPT premises.